SpiceJet has announced its largest ever deal with Boeing, with plans to acquire up to 205 jets worth $22 billion, which is equivalent to 1.5 lakh crore rupees. Now, that deal will allow SpiceJet to expand its current fleet size by up to 4 times and fly long-haul destinations like Europe, as the airline seeks to be the country's first low-cost, long-haul carrier. Now, the company's chairman Ajay Singh and Boeing India's Dinesh Keskar spoke with CNBC TV 18 Shereen Bhan after that announcement. Here's a slice of that conversation.
What this deal also does is it helps us reduce our cost, and that was incredibly important for us. This deal means that we get lower cost aircraft, we get lower cost maintenance, we get a more reliable aircraft, we get a much more fuel efficient aircraft, an aircraft which is 20% more fuel efficient than the existing plane. We get an aircraft which has a larger range and therefore enables us to get to more destinations. So we think it's a fantastic fit for SpiceJet, and we are delighted to be able to do this.
So if we were to assume that fuel prices will remain where they are currently and not move significantly higher, maybe between the $55 to $60 band, you know, I'm just trying to understand what the margin trajectory could be, because it's currently at about 7.9%. What would it imply as far as your margins are concerned?
What this does is over a longer period of time, because remember that there's going to be a mix of fleet. There will be some new planes, but there will also be old planes, and then as new planes build up, I think we are looking at anything like a 15 to 17% reduction in cost.
Given where we stand today, give me a sense of what the outlook for growth is.
Well, see, we think in the near term the outlook for growth is about 15%. And we just did our annual forecast, as you know, and our current forecast is for the next 20 years, 1,850 airplanes for India worth $265 billion. So we continue to stay bullish on India, and we think if the infrastructure keeps in pace, we will probably outpace these numbers.